Welcome back to our channel where we simplify complex topics for you today. We have an important subject to discuss, one that affects businesses and consumers alike in India. Yes, we are talking about Goods and Services Tax or GST. In this video we will simplify the complexities of GST, explain the tax slab's compliance requirements and shed light on the common issues faced by businesses and consumers. So, let's get started. GST, implemented on July 1, 2017, is a comprehensive indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services across India. It replaced a convoluted system of multiple indirect taxes and brought in a unified taxation structure. The primary aim of GST was to simplify the taxation process, reduce tax evasion, and create a common market for goods and services. Under GST, there are 4 tax slabs based on the principle of revenue neutrality, that is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These slabs determine the applicable tax rate for different goods and services. The intention behind these slabs is to categorize items based on their necessity, luxury or harmful nature. Let's take a closer look at each tax slab. 5%. This slab covers essential items such as food, grains, books, healthcare services and some common use items. 12%. Items like processed food, computers, mobile phones and certain medicines fall under this slab. 18%. Most goods and services including most FMCG products, electronic items and financial services fall under this slab. 28%. Luxury items such as cars, tobacco products and aerated drinks are included in this high tax slab. It's important to note that some items like petroleum and alcohol are currently outside the purview of GST and are subject to separate state and central taxes. Now that we understand the tax slabs, let's talk about the compliance requirements imposed by GST for businesses. Compliance is crucial to avoid penalties and legal consequences. Here are the key compliance requirements. GST registration: businesses with an annual turnover above the threshold limit, currently 40 Indian rupees lakhs for most states, must register for GST. GST returns: registered businesses need to file regular GST returns which include details of their sales, purchases and tax payments. Input tax credit (ITC). Under GST, businesses can claim input tax credit on taxes paid for inputs used in the production or delivery of goods and services. This helps in reducing the tax liability. Invoicing and record keeping: accurate and timely invoicing along with maintaining proper records is essential for GST compliance. It's crucial for businesses to ensure that they fulfill these compliance requirements to operate smoothly within the GST framework. Despite its objective to simplify the taxation process, GST implementation has not been without its challenges. Let's discuss some common issues faced by businesses and consumers. Complex registration process: many businesses face difficulties in understanding the GST registration process, especially for businesses operating across multiple states. Return filing challenges: filing GST returns can be a cumbersome task, especially for small businesses with limited resources. The frequent changes in the GST portal and technical glitches have also posed challenges. Classification and tax rate ambiguity: determining the correct tax rate for goods and services can be challenging due to the complex classification system. This ambiguity often leads to disputes and confusion. Increased compliance burden: GST compliance requires businesses to maintain detailed records and adhere to stringent timelines, which can be overwhelming for small enterprises. Lack of awareness: many consumers and small businesses still have limited awareness and understanding of GST, leading to non-compliance and potential penalties. These are just a few examples of the issues faced by businesses and consumers. However, it's important to note that the government is continuously working to address these challenges and streamline the GST framework. That concludes our discussion on Goods and Services Tax (GST) in India. We hope this video has helped simplify the complexities of GST, explained the tax slab's compliance requirements and shed light on the common issues faced by businesses and consumers. Remember, staying informed and ensuring compliance is vital for a seamless experience within the GST system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.